Hello, I'm Nick Viggiano, President of Continental Diamond Tool. I want to update our customers who we consider valuable partners with the year in review of the accomplishments we've achieved together this year. We finished the fit up and moved into our 72,000 square foot expansion this past year, which brought our facility here in New Haven, Indiana up to 200,000 square feet total. This couldn't come at a better time as we are seeing the reshoring of manufacturing here in the U.S. This has put us in a great position to handle the new and existing customer growth in North America. We also completed the build out of our new facility in Wales, which we moved into Q3 of 2025. Our team in Wales has adapted quickly to their new facility and are making great strides in growth with many new customers in Europe. With the uncertainty of tariffs and governments posturing between countries around the world, we decided to put an 18-month supply of diamond in our vault as a safety stock to ensure that we will be able to deliver no matter the global climate in these matters. We continue to believe what sets us apart is our customer service and application team that supports our sales team. While our competition continues to eliminate these positions, we continue to add these valuable members. So, as we close out this year, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those who make this success possible. To our talented team, your dedication and ability to connect with customers have helped us deliver custom solutions that have truly made a difference. To our strategic partners, your collaboration and shared vision have been invaluable as we navigate the rapid changes in our industry. Together, we've embraced new opportunities and positioned ourselves for continued growth. And to our customers around the world, thank you for choosing CDT as your trusted partner. Your confidence in our team inspires us to continue adapting and growing and deliver solutions to support your success. You are the reason we exist. As we look to the future, we remain focused on growing with our demands of our industry while staying true to what matters most: quality, service, and partnership. From all of us at Continental Diamond Tool, we thank you for being a part of our journey and hope nothing but success in 2026.